Ah, ah, yeah. Walking through city lights, echoes bounce inside my chest. Life taught lessons slow. Pain made me do my best. I used to chase the wrong, drift where the wind blew, but I found my tribe, souls who see me true. Birds of a feather stick together through the storm. We lift each other, keep each other safe and warm. Hip-hop beats hum, low acoustic strings guide our flow. We learn patience, strength, and kindness, letting our hearts grow. Together we rise, even when the night feels long. Every step, every glance, every word makes us strong. Morning breaks with golden light, friends laughing by my side. We move steady, calm, no need to run or hide. Every struggle shit becomes wisdom, every scar a song. We teach each other courage, showing where we belong.
Birds of a feather know the value of trust. We nurture dreams, leave behind what's unjust. Hip-hop, heartbeat, acoustic soul, blending rhythm and peace. Every moment together helps our quiet hearts release. If storms return, we hold steady, grounded, unafraid. We lift from wings together, letting fear slowly fade. Life is richer with hearts aligned, souls intertwined. We soar above the chaos, leaving doubt behind. Even calm shadows stretch, moonlight hums low. Birds of a feather gather close, letting the world go. Every laugh, every hug, every song shared near teaches hearts patience, trust, and love sincere. Hip-hop beats whisper, acoustic strings carry truth. We honor growth, celebrate wisdom, and nurture youth. No matter the distance, no matter the time, our spirits stay linked, rhythm and melody combined.